Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how to change or add a favicon on your WordPress website. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So open your website and click on Customize. Go to Site Identity. Here you can see an option called the site icon. Click on the select site icon, and if you don't have it in your media library, then you can upload it. You can crop the image if you want or leave it as it is. Once it's done, simply click on Publish and your site now will show a favicon. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.